In the heart of Tuscaloosa, where charming southern architecture meets modern living, homeowners take pride in how their houses look from the street. Curb appeal, the visual impression your home gives to visitors or potential buyers, is more than just a first glance. It reflects the home's value, care, and character. One of the most effective and transformative ways to boost that appeal is through window replacement. Whether you live in a historic downtown property or a newer suburban development, upgrading your windows can dramatically elevate your home's appearance and efficiency. The visual transformation new windows can completely change how your home looks. Old, faded, or mismatched frames tend to age a property and make it appear neglected. Modern window designs, on the other hand, introduce clean lines, symmetry, and elegance. Tuscaloosa homeowners have a range of style options, from classic double-hung windows for colonial or craftsman homes to sleek casement or picture windows for contemporary architecture. Replacing your windows allows you to tailor the style to your home's unique character. Frame materials like vinyl, wood, or fiberglass can complement different exterior finishes, while trim colors can be customized to highlight architectural features. A fresh, cohesive look adds not only beauty but also a sense of completeness that impresses both neighbors and potential buyers. Enhancing natural light and interior aesthetics. Curb appeal doesn't stop at the exterior. The right windows also enhance what people see inside your home. Replacing small or cloudy panes with larger, clearer glass instantly brightens your interior, making rooms feel more inviting from the street. Tuscaloosa's abundant sunshine becomes an asset when paired with energy-efficient glass that filters UV rays without the glare. This creates a warm, natural glow visible through the windows, a subtle but powerful element that signals a well-maintained home. The combination of exterior charm and interior brightness builds a seamless, attractive aesthetic that's hard to overlook. Energy efficiency and modern functionality. In addition to visual appeal, energy-efficient windows offer a significant functional upgrade that appeals to eco-conscious buyers. With Tuscaloosa's hot summers and mild winters, maintaining indoor comfort is key. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing the need for constant air conditioning or heating. This efficiency isn't just about savings, it reflects a responsible, forward-thinking homeowner. When buyers see new, well-sealed windows, they immediately perceive the home as being up to date and well cared for, which can significantly raise its market value. Increasing home value and market appeal. Real estate agents in Tuscaloosa often highlight window replacements as a top home improvement project for resale value. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows tend to attract more buyers and sell faster. The return on investment, ROI, for window replacement is consistently high, especially when combined with other exterior upgrades such as fresh paint or new landscaping. For homeowners planning to stay long-term, this investment still pays off. Not only do you enjoy lower energy bills and improved comfort, but you also strengthen your home's structural integrity and long-term appeal. Harmony with Tuscaloosa's neighborhood charm. Each Tuscaloosa neighborhood, from the tree-lined streets near the University of Alabama to the serene communities along Lake Tuscaloosa, has its own personality. The best window replacements are those that respect and enhance that local charm. For example, in older neighborhoods with brick facades, wood-framed windows preserve historical authenticity, while in newer developments, minimalist vinyl or aluminum frames create a clean, modern look. The key is choosing windows that blend functionality with character, allowing your home to stand out without clashing with its surroundings. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Tuscaloosa neighborhoods goes beyond just a cosmetic update. It's an investment in your home's beauty, comfort, and long-term value. By combining elegant design with energy-efficient technology, you can dramatically enhance curb appeal while contributing to the city's tradition of attractive, well-maintained homes. Whether your goal is to sell your property or simply fall in love with it all over again, new windows are a powerful way to give your Tuscaloosa home a stunning, lasting transformation.